Meet Jack. Last week he launched his new app and this week he made $4,000. Jack just unlocked a new growth hack, one that costs nothing and it turns out it's been sitting right in front of us this whole time. The secret? His post on X went super viral, getting over 14 million views, 40,000 downloads, and $4,000 in revenue. But this growth hack is actually more achievable than you might actually think. In this video, I'm going to deep dive how Jack accidentally went viral and how we can replicate virality for our own app launches. Jack built his couples app Lovely within a few days, mostly vibe coded. He had an idea, he executed it, and then he posted about it on X. Next thing you know, it went viral. He got a bunch of downloads and now he's counting his profits. How is this even possible and how can we replicate this success for our own apps? Recently, Elon Musk rolled out a new algorithm update on X. Well, let me rephrase that a little bit. Recently, Elon Musk removed the algorithm from X. Now the X timeline is no longer curated by algorithms, it's now curated by AI, specifically Grok. Elon said, "The X recommendation system is evolving. Grok will literally read every post and watch every video to match users with content they're most likely to find interesting." Which basically means AI will now read your tweet and then try to match it up with other people who have similar interests. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Jack stumbled across a distribution model that takes advantage of the new X algorithm. So how do we actually replicate this success for our own apps? Well, first, let's check out Lovely. This is a fun, cute, quirky, and novel idea. You draw a picture within the app and send it to your partner's mobile phone screen. It's a fun use of widgets and has a mass appeal to a massive audience. So the app you promote needs to be a novel idea or have some sort of interest that people will actually like. An idea that is so simple to communicate in a simple post. The app needs to look fun and you need to think to yourself, oh, I want to try that. And the app also needs to appeal to a massive audience. In this case, anyone in a relationship. And I doubt the same strategy would work for like a mortgage calculator. Just not enough people want to actually use that. So it has to be an idea that has mass appeal and it's quite interesting to use. Then there's an interesting posting strategy that Jack has used here. The original tweet is just a typical announcement tweet. New app is live. Then he sets out that he wants to reach a goal of $500 per month by the end of the year and has a cute example of the actual use case. I'll be using it with my fiance and she has already sent me a cute love doodle. The post has two screenshots, the App Store listing and a screenshot of the app in action. This post got 5.3 million views. Then Shy Jow retweeted his announcement. It starts with love notes and then life kicks in, showing a screenshot of his grocery list. This post got 16.4 million views. Then Jack uses this engagement to resurface his app and add some additional commentary. I made an app that sends love notes to your partner, and now it's getting used as a grocery list reminder. 14.1 million views. Each time Jack posts, he adds a link to the app as the first comment, a direct link to the App Store. The interesting thing is, the algorithm first pushed the post to his followers and people within his community, like other builders. Jack used this early momentum to add commentary, banter, and generally just to have a little bit of fun. As more people saw the posts, they were distributed wider and further until ultimately it went viral. It does help that Jack is a prolific builder. He posts regularly on X and nearly has 60,000 followers. Just like a small detail there. And I know what you're thinking, but Adam, I don't have 60,000 followers. How am I supposed to go viral on X? Well, simply put, Jack started out by posting his progress, building in public, sharing his wins, and passionately sharing what he's working on. Then like-minded people started to like his work, started to follow him, and he built his audience. To start growing on X, that's all you have to do. Just share what you're working on, share what you love, and just engage with others doing the same thing. It has never been more important to start building an audience of your own. Like seriously, start investing your time here. It's quickly becoming one of the best assets you can create as a solo builder. So to replicate Jack's viral success, we simply have to start growing our audience on X. Then focus on building a novel, fun app with a broad market appeal. Then post about it on X and engage with friendly banter to keep resurfacing your app and your app launch tweet.